I'm Jeremy.
And I'm Caitlin, and on today's episode of Assembled It, we're going to be running you through how to assemble the Bella dining chair from B2C Furniture.
Step 1, unpacking the box.
Be sure to use your safety knife to cut the packaging tape on the box in the gaps of the cardboard. Be aware not to cut too deep, as you may mark your lovely piece of new furniture. Everyone has a recycling bin at home. The cardboard can go straight in there.
We're going to make sure that we have all our parts and hardware. Double check them against the assembly manual to make sure everything's there before we start.
That's right, you're going to find 2 chairs per box, just in case you think you got too many bits. It's time for Caitlin's hot tip.
This will save you some time. Let's put the washers onto the bolts before we start the assembly process. What a time saver. Now, to get started.
We will be attaching the aprons to the chair. Now there are 2 aprons. Of our 2 aprons, we have part 5 and part 4. Part 4 is longer of the 2. Part 5 goes to the back, part 4 goes to the front. And we're going to screw it together thusly. With the Allen key provided. And make sure you don't screw them in too tight. I'll tell you why soon. Thank you, Caitlin, for all your assistance.
You are most welcome. Alright, now we're going to flip this one upright. Time to put on the backrest, so let's grab the dowels. Pop them on the bottom, holes over here, and Jeremy, if you may.
And this is why we've kept it a little bit loose, so that there's a little bit of play. And that way we can get our backrest right in without any issues at all. If you tighten it too much, this bit becomes a nightmare.
That looks amazing. Now time for the cushion.
Now you're fine with the cushion. There is a slightly narrower end, and that sits between the 2 arms of the chair. And once it sits in nicely, we flip it over to screw it in. And this is where 2 sets of hands come in really useful, because you really want someone to hold the cushion nice and tight to the frame, while the other person screws it together. Although it can be done with 1 person. Alright, now to tighten up those loose bolts we put in earlier. And the way to do that, we flip her over, spin around, and make sure it's nice and level on a surface. And now the fun part, tightening up those bolts. Make sure everything's nice and tight. There we go. Because it's a chair.
Terrific.
And now all we have to do is put in the nubbins.
Nubbins? Buttons.
Plugs.
Buttons.
Plugs.
Plug.
Buttons.
And that is our beautiful Bella dining chair, and that is how you assemble it.
If you've enjoyed what you've seen here today, please like and subscribe. Also, check out our other videos on how to assemble it.
And if you have any comments or questions at all, please do leave them below. Jeremy will actually be personally attending to all of them. And thanks for watching, guys. Can't wait to see you again soon.